Yes, happening for the first time in India. Pickleball is such a popular sport, such a great sense of community. Anybody can pick it up. मतलब कोई भी एक पैडल के साथ और एक पिकल बॉल के साथ खेलना शुरू कर सकता है, and that's the best part about this game. सबको लगता है कि हम अच्छे हैं गेम में, and there are some really good players, all of whom have arrived for this tournament. World Pickleball League here at the CCI. I mean, what could anyone else ask for? This is the next big thing. So because सबको लगता है कि एक बार आप बॉल उठाओ और पैडल उठाओ, आप खेल सकते हो. That's the best part. It's very easy to pick up. तो बच्चों से लेकर बड़ों तक हर कोई खेल सकता है, नंबर 1. और दूसरी बात ये, there's a sense of community when you play pickleball. आप किसी भी pickleball court पे जाते हैं तो लोगों से मिलते हैं, games बनते हैं, pickleball parties होती हैं. तो it's a sport that is spreading very fast, and people are loving it, and are getting addicted to it. So naturally, when a tournament like this happens, there'll always be a lot of interest in it as well. And I'm very excited for one. Oh my God, I think it can be as big as cricket. I really think so, क्योंकि कम जगह चाहिए, हर कोई खेल सकता है. जैसे कि क्रिकेट आप रोड पे भी खेल सकते हैं, पिकल बॉल के लिए छोटी जगह चाहिए, बस एक नेट चाहिए और थोड़ा एक ऐसा सरफेस चाहिए जहाँ आपका बॉल बाउंस हो सकता है.
You are supporting any particular team?
No, I am supporting this tournament. I'm so excited for this tournament.
Okay.
I'm actually extremely happy at the way it's being organized. Isn't it organized well?
Yes.
It's looking really nice, and extremely excited to be here. Nervous, first time into sports, so it's nervous excitement because it's home. I mean, I'm born, brought up in Chennai. Chennai is always home. Chennai taught me everything, and I will always keep going back home. Obviously, dream the big dream, as big as our other great sport, cricket. If you're dreaming, might as well dream the big dream. Right now it's such a new sport, so I'm cheering for all the teams. I really want the sport to pick up. I really want everyone to pick up, a racket, a paddle ball, a paddle, and play the sport, because it's really for everyone. It's gender agnostic, it's age agnostic. Anyone can pick up a paddle and start playing. So I really hope that through this league, the sport gets more participation.
See, the pickleball is the most fastest growing game in the entire globe. And when it came to India, and when Gaurav Natekar sir came to us describing about the league, we really felt it's going to be great, and we are feeling the same. And sports is all about inspiration and motivation for the next generation. So we also wanted to come in. So we bought Bengaluru Javans, and we are happy. And today the day has come, and I think it's going to be great for all of us. No, I'm supporting everyone. Fortunately, and we got Bengaluru, and we were very happy to get. And our friend Samantha owns Chennai. A lot of good friends of owns various places. When we went, we got Bangalore, and Bangalore is very connected to us because we go to a spiritual place called Kukke Subramaniam is our favorite.
Yeah, the
place
temple is very connected to us. So.
And we have a spiritual connection too. I think it's going to be every home's game, and every family members is going to start playing this, because it needs a very small requirement to play the game, and it's a family game, it's a friends game, it's a game for everyone. So
yeah,
I think it's going to be viral. It's going to be viral for sure. Thank you for everything. Thanks for everything. And today it's a sports mode we are in, and we are coming into a new venture, new zone. So we are really thrilled and
excited
to
about this,
go. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.